Hello, my name is Renee and I'm one of your teachers. Today you're going to learn about conditional sentences and how and when to use the zero conditional in English. Let's start by watching Robert and Jennifer in the ABBA film Incompatible Food. They are at the gym chatting about healthy habits. Robert is giving Jennifer some information about a diet.
And?
If you eat proteins, you can't eat cereals, and you mustn't eat potatoes.
You have to eat a steak on its own then?
No. If you eat meat or fish, have vegetables with it, but not chips.
What else?
Robert uses zero conditional sentences to tell Jennifer which foods to combine for a healthy diet using these sentences. If you eat proteins, you can't eat cereals and you mustn't eat potatoes. No, if you eat meat or fish, have vegetables with it, but not chips. Conditional sentences contain two clauses, the if clause, then followed by the result clause. We use the zero conditional for true statements and scientific facts. Let's see an example. If you heat ice, it melts. If you stand in the rain, you get wet. As you can see, the structure is if plus present simple, present simple. In zero conditional sentences, the result of the condition is always the same, and for this reason, we can replace if with when. Let's see an example. When the teacher talks, everyone listens. Zero conditional in the negative. We can also use the zero conditional in the negative. Let's see some examples. If you do not wear sunscreen, you get burned. If you drink enough water, you don't feel thirsty. If you don't study, you don't learn. As you can see, the negative structure is as follows. In the first part, if plus subject plus do not or does not plus infinitive. And in the second part, subject plus do not or does not plus infinitive. We can use the contracted forms of do not, which is don't, and of does not, which is doesn't, inverting the if clause. Note that in conditional sentences, the if clause usually comes first, but it can also follow the result. If we invert the sentence, the meaning is the same. For example, you get burned if you do not wear sunscreen. Notice that when we change the order of the two clauses so that the result clause is first, we do not need a comma. You don't need a comma when the if clause comes second. Let's see a few more examples of everything you've learned. If I don't sleep enough, I feel tired. When the temperature drops below 0 degrees, water freezes. Babies cry if they are hungry. Well, in this class, you have learned about conditional sentences and how to use the zero conditional in English. Keep on learning on this unit and consolidate your knowledge by practicing all the language skills. If you do it like this, you will learn lots of English. See you soon!